Well, hello everyone, this is Peter Brown with your weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading in towards December. I know it's hard to believe that we are that far into fall. We are almost done with fall, and unfortunately for those of us who love the warm weather, winter is just around the corner. So I know this is our least favorite time of the year, but hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. And it looks like we're going to have a fairly average week coming up. Doesn't look like we're going to have anything too crazy in terms of wild temperature swings. Doesn't look like we're going to be having any big snowstorms, which is a great thing. But the thing that you're going to notice is we're going to see a little bit more in the way of rain than what we've been seeing over the past few weeks or so. Starting our period on Friday, we should be seeing temperatures at this time of the year in the mid-40s. That's where we're going to be. We're going to have a nice warm-up, though, as we head into the weekend. And for the middle of next week, as we see, again, unfortunately, a couple of rainstorms come with that warm weather. But again, keeps the ice and the snow away from us. And as we round out the period, next Thursday, again, our high should be in the mid-40s at this time of the year. And by the time we get to the end of the period, you're definitely going to notice that winter chill to the air. Again, going to be very dry out there, no precipitation around. But again, just bear in mind, we're going to be seeing some real winter-like temperatures as we round out next week. And of course, as we start heading closer and closer to winter, the length of day around here in the Burlington area keeps getting shorter and shorter. But again, a couple of weeks from now, the days will start getting longer again. So as we go ahead, let's take a look what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us here in the Burlington area of the next 7 to 10 days in terms of temperatures and precipitation. Now, looking at our temperature map, looks like we're expecting to see temperatures about average for this time of the year. And again, that's what I'm seeing too. We're going to be having some above average temperatures to start out the period, then ending out with some below average temperatures. So that's pretty much why they're calling for us to have just really average temperatures for the next 7 to 10 days. And as we look at our precipitation chances, looks like we're going to have a pretty wet go of it here over the next week or so. Now, this wet weather is going to be hitting us when the temperatures are warm, so at least we're not going to be seeing anything really in terms of snowfall or ice, so that's some good news. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up here in the Burlington area. Again, starting on our period on Friday, going to be sunny out there, a little bit breezy, so you'll notice a little bit of a bite to the air, but temperatures about average again for this time of the year in the mid to upper 40s. Temperatures spike way up into the upper 50s on Saturday, but that comes with a little bit of maybe some windswept rain around here in the Burlington area. Temperatures start to fall again as we get in towards Sunday, back to average. Then we're going to see the chance of rain pick up again here going in towards Monday and Tuesday. It's going to be a little bit chillier rain than we're going to see over the weekend, but again, still warm enough to keep all of that rain in liquid form rather, instead of solid. So no snow to have to worry about. After that storm departs us on Tuesday, looks like that cold air from Canada is really going to make its way into the Burlington area. We're going to see sunny skies on Wednesday, but temperatures maybe not getting out of the lower 30s. And then on Thursday, we may have to check and see if we have a couple of scattered snow flurries here in the air as a weak disturbance moves by us. And again, temperatures pretty chilly, only in the mid 30s. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.